Hi SPN viewers, it's your boy Desh and we are live at the iconic Moses Mabhida Stadium. Now, as you can see behind me, the stadium is being full. This is a sold-out fixture. Of course, it's the MTN8 final between Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. Now, the Yellow Nation do come into this one on the back of 8 consecutive league games, but obviously this being a cup fixture which currently belongs to Orlando Pirates. The question remains, are they going to defend the title? Before I go any further, I have to thank each and every one of our subscribers. We do appreciate you, and without you, we wouldn't be here. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for more updates. Cheers. Hi SPN viewers, I'm your Orlando Pirates supporter.
I'm an Orlando Pirates supporter.
Your name is?
My name is Taniswa Kumbata from Mount Telef Lubaleko.
I'm Yoli Swamate from Coxet branch, Greater Coxet branch at KZN.
Nomvula Nondiza from Coxet branch.
All three of you have traveled from so far. Tell me why.
Because I like Pirates, I want to win today. No matter why, I'm taking the cup of MTN.
Because we are going to win today with 2-1. Nothing wrong. 2-1, 2-1, 2-1.
Who's going to score those goals?
Lipasa and Kim Voet.
I see. Do you think the players are going to be nervous ahead of this one?
Yes.
How about you? Are you stressed with this game?
Yeah, I'm stressed, but not too much because I know Pirates 2-1 today. It's winning today. Yeah.
You guys are comfortable?
I am comfortable because I know today we're gonna win this cup for MTN8.
But yesterday I can't sleep because I'm stressed. I'm not eating. I'm stressed. I'm crying. I'm praying. I'm not sleeping. My father. What you call?
I'm not sleeping yesterday because of Pirates is playing today, but we're gonna win with 2-1.
No matter why.
Who's your favorite Pirates player?
Lipasa.
And yours?
Select.
Thank you, ladies. You've been amazing. Good luck for the game.
Yes. Thank you.
Am I talking to Orlando Pirates supporters or Mamelodi? Oh, yeah? I see. That answers my question. Who's going to win today?
Pirates.
What's the score?
2-1.
Who's going to score those goals?
Saleh.
Hi. How are you doing? Who's going to win today?
Pirates.
I see. Who's your favorite player?
Saleh.
Thank you. Cheers. Hi, SPN viewers. I'm your Orlando Pirates supporter. Sir, your name?
I'm Sambo Chris.
What brings you to the stadium today?
All over from Soweto. I'm here to support the mighty Buccaneers to lift once again the MTN Top 8 Cup.
I see. Well, as you mentioned, the other defending champions last year, Saleng got on the score sheet with an impressive free kick. Is he going to get in the score sheet again today?
Today, Maswanganyi will score the winning goal, and we move all the way to Soweto.
I'm sure the players are nervous, but I have to ask you, how do you feel today?
No, I'm so jubilant, very happy, and very flamboyant.
I see. In the league, Sundowns are miles ahead. Are Pirates going to catch them?
No, that's just an umbrella, if not a pronoun place. We are going to compete. It's still 8 games. We are still having 22 games left. And I believe that Orlando Pirates is going to emerge victorious.
Thank you and good luck for today.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, ESPN viewers. I'm here with Mamelodi Sundowns supporter. Sir, your name?
Yellow AJ, James Lekawa. #1 Deep Kloof supporter.
What's today's scoreline going to be?
2-0.
To who?
Sundowns is taking it to Joburg.
Back to Joburg. Who's going to score those goals?
It belongs.
Who's going to score those goals?
Ribeiro and Shalulile. Yes.
Is the PSL title race over?
We finished the title when we were beating Pirates 1-0 at Orlando. That's when we wrapped up the title. Last year we took it with 7 matches to go. This season we're going to take it with 15 matches to go.
I'm sure the players inside there are a bit nervous ahead of the fixture. But I want to ask you, how do you feel before this game starts?
Mabra, us, Masandawana, we never panic because we know we share the ball.
Yeah.
As we sharing the ball, they get tired. We take it to the net. That's it.
Thank you.
We will never feel nervous. Never.
Thank you so much for your time and good luck for today.
Good luck to Pirates. Us, we are all right. Us, it's obvious. Obvious. We are taking it to Chlorocop, where it belongs. Remember what they did to us at Polokwane? We are fixing that.
You're going to sort it out tonight.
We're fixing it today.
I see. Good luck, eh?
Thank you, sir.
Hi, ESPN viewers. I'm here with Mamelodi Sundowns supporter
I'm Temba, Mamelodi Sundowns supporter.
and Kaizer Chiefs supporter.
I'm Paul from Pretoria.
Before we go into this final, I have to ask you, the semis were contested between Chiefs and Sundowns. Do you think it was a fair result?
Well, we lost. We missed chances, and there was a blunders from the referees. But anyways, it's part of football, eh?
I see. How happy were you with your performance against Chiefs?
I'm happy because we also benefited, man. Every team benefits here in PSL, so it's our chance now to benefit. So I'm happy.
Your thoughts ahead of the final?
Obvious, today we're going to beat Orlando Pirates by 3-1.
Do you agree with him? You think they're taking the trophy?
I didn't travel this way to come see Sundowns win. So, Pirates win today 2-0.
Who's going to score those goals?
Lepasa and Mfuki.
I see. La Pasa did score a hat-trick. Do you think he's going to get in the score sheet today?
Lepasa already scored how many goals? 5 goals, and he's done for the season. So I don't think Lepasa is going to score. I don't see him scoring any goal.
Who's going to get in the score sheet today then?
For Mamelodi Sundowns, obvious. Ribeiro, Shalulile is going to make a brace, and then maybe Mshishi, Shigabala, obvious. And then it's 4-0.
I have to ask you before you leave, is the PSL title race over?
It's over, my man. No one is chasing us. Or do you see anyone who's chasing?
You see, you're agreeing with him? You're a Chiefs supporter, impressive transfer window.
It's over. We are number 6, and they've already halfway through with the points of winning. So they've won the league.
Thank you so much for your time and good luck for the game, gents.
Thank you.
Thanks, cheers, man.
Malum, sitshele igama lakubani?
Igama lami nguSihle wakamkhize eKhethoresh, Greater Cape ngaphansi kweGreater Kethoresh. Yeah.
Ubona igame ihamba kanjani namhlanje baba?
No, namhlanje no way, but fanele sowina. Noma athiwa kunzima kanganani, noma yabona ukuthi ishintshile. Lifuna ukuna, lifuna ukuduma ukuthi iPirates ila eThekwini izothatha icup njengenjwayelo nje.
Amagola Pirates ayikuphi manje? Abakori namhlanje.
Sizakora namhlanje. Sizokora. Ukuthi mengafaka ulodge singakora. Menge ukubakhona lephasa bebekora before. And then manje basazoqhubeka futhi bakora.
Score?
Ngeke ngisisho score. iPirates izawina nje.
Ngiyabonga baba.
Ngiyabonga.
Hi ESPN viewers, I'm here with Mamelodi Sundowns supporter.
Hey, buddy, I'm fine, man. And yourself?
Firstly, hard luck on the results. You guys just lost the MTN8 trophy. How do you feel about that?
Hey, man, you know penalties. It is penalties. You know, it's what do you call it? It's just what do you call it? It's just
It's the luck of the draw.
yeah, it's the lack of a draw. I'm all the way from PE. I came here to watch the game, to watch Amasandawana. You know, part of the one on penalties. It's just a lucky draw.
Do you think it was a fair result of the game considering the performance of the team?
Yes, they came here prepared for us because we came here knowing very well that we're going to win this game. Unfortunate for us, we didn't win it on 90 minutes. They came back stronger, but we know that this league is on us. We're going to watch the Carling Black Label and other clubs going forward.
I want to know, is the PSL title race done?
Yes, it is done, my man. It is done because you know what we are preparing for Champions League and Super League. That's why we're making sure that when it comes to PSL, win all the games to the first half. Coming to the second half, we already done the job.
Thank you so much and best of luck for the rest of the season.
Yes, man. Thank you very much, guys. You're doing a good job, eh? Sure, buddy.
Hi ESPN viewers, I'm with Mamelodi Sundowns supporter.
Yes, my name is Chaftam Dlole from Greater Bushbuckridge.
Hard luck today. As you saw, Pirates defending the MTN8 trophy. What did you make of the game? What do you think went wrong?
Nothing went wrong except to say it was never our day. Pirates played their soccer very well. They applied all the tactics and they hit us during the penalties.
Who were you most impressed with today?
I was impressed with Hoto and this player of Sundowns called Tembazwane. And especially the one, the goalkeeper of Pirates was at his best. He saved most of our penalties. And we could not score. It was never our day. We could have played or kicked 10 penalties, but we wouldn't win because it was never our day.
Okay, thank you for your time, sir. Hard luck today and good luck in your next game.
The best team has won, of which is Pirates.
Thank you. Can I start? Sanibonani babukeli be-SBN lana ngimlandeli we-Pirates.
Yebo ngumlandeli we-Pirates nabe ngijabulile i-team njengoba kade idlale ngayo ngijabulile ukuthi njengoba idlalile iyakwazi ukuyimisela especially mangabe idlala kuyi-cup so ngijabulile ngalokho okwenzekile abafana kumisa nalabo abancane abasakhula bakwazi ukuqhuqhulezeka babe nethalente elihle.
So uba umdlalo okuhlaba umxhwele kakhulu
namhlanje umdlalo ongihlaba umxhwele kakhulu u-team kuweli benolukuzana benotapelo xoki lo dlala i-defensive emumva.
Okay, siyabonga ngesikhathi sakho baba and good luck ngokuwina i-MTN 8 trophy.
Yebo hayi nami ngiyabonga ngegama lenkosi ngibonga amabhakaniya awine kahle.
Hi SBN viewers, I'm with soccer fan.
My name is Sherry.
Sir, we've just seen Pirates defending the MTN trophy by winning on penalties. What did you make of the game?
Yeah, it's the name of the game. Penalties or no penalties, the game it was good and then it was excellent. I think even Bafana, if they can see the display of this game, it was wonderful. We wish Bafana also could play such football, entertaining football, not just coming to stadium to get brought by Bafana. Instead of showing skills of soccer, it's like we don't know what is that team, you might call it. Sorry to say that, but it's a national team. It's really making me wondering what's happening with the team. But Sundowns and Pirates are the best. They were playing good football and matter of going to penalties also. It shows how these big teams, they were actually strong.
Thank you for your time, sir, and good luck.
I'm here with Mamelodi Sundowns supporters who are also a couple. What is your name?
Ellen.
And you, sir?
Richard.
What did you make of the game today? Hard luck in the results?
We are not so happy because we are Sundown supporters, but it was a fair game. Yeah, we congratulate Pirates because
they push you right there into the 120 minutes. Do you think maybe Chalulile finished that header in the beginning of the game would have been a different story?
Hey, no, Chalulile is not a good game today because you see, you're not playing very well. This one is out. So, but fortunately, I'm very happy for the result.
Thank you so much for your time. Cheers.
Hi SBN viewers, I'm with supporter
of Golden Arrows. It's Preno Mia from Westgate Gardens. I was watching game final for Sundowns and Pirates.
Okay, so how did you make of today's game? As you have mentioned, we saw Pirates winning on penalties. What's your take on the game?
My take on the game, it was so fantastic. It was so fantastic. It was so lovely. And then the person that I was coming to support, it was Zwane and Pasega Marco. Thank you, sir.
Sure. Thank you. Sanibonani babukeli be-SBN viewers, silana kwi-final ye-MTN 8 siqeda kubona i-Pirates inqoba lapha i-Sundowns kuma-penalty. Manje nginabalandeli ukuzothi ukuthi umdlalo bawubone kanjani. Sawubona baba unjani?
Baba ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila nami, ngicela ungiphe igama nesibongo.
Igama uSihle wakangidi mfowethu, umlandeli ojabulile kakhulu. For the first time e-South Africa ngisupport iKaizer kodwa ngisupport iPirate namhlanje. And ngiyabonga ukuthi unompempe namhlanje ulenzile iqiniso. ISundowns yangabenefita kwa benefit iPirates. So siyajabula samabhakani ukuthi iSundowns idliwe.
So ngokwakho imuphi umdlalo ongathi ukuhlaba umxhwele kakhulu namhlanje?
Uchayina wePirates. Goalkeeper esingamthembi. Yes, goalkeeper. Wavima amapenalty ayi3. Hawu sibona uRulani ecishe eshawa heart attack. Sibona ucebo lethu ugijima la. Sibona uRulani uyahamba emhlabeni.
Emva kwesikhathi eside iSundowns agcina ukuthi ihlulwe as you have seen njengoba isizini siqalile ukuthi isiwawinile ama game awu8 kulawo 8 esiwadlalile. Ucabanga ukuthi lokuhlula kwayo kwanamhlanje mhlawumbe kuzonikeza la amanye ama teams ithemba ezisizobuyela ku league ukuthi iSundowns iyanqobeka?
Mfethu kakhulu ithemba likhona vese neKaizer abayihlulanga barojelo nompempe. So ama-team amaningi asazoyishaya iSundowns. iPirates yenza ijustice eSouth Africa. So thina iSundowns asiyisabi. Isatshwa yila amanye ama-team. So nje thina sihappy. namabhakabhaka lawa sihappy.
Siyabonga baba, sanibongela futhi ngokunqoba. Hi SBN viewers, I'm with Mamelodi Sundowns supporters.
Yeah, my name is Fistos. My name is Richard.
Gents, we just saw today's game. Unfortunately, you guys lost on penalties. What did you make of today's game against Pirates?
So I know we're very, very, very angry. That game is the result is not good, and then the referee is not working the way you should.
What did you think went wrong on the game?
Everything is not right. We have a goal, it's nothing, and then the penalty is not.
Two penalties. They never give us the two penalties, and then they give us that goal they score. They say it's offside. So we can't work like this. They must remove Ivan Kos and Kazam Town. They got a team there on the PSL. He's taking the decision. The referee now is working under pressure. Because if you make mistake for Sundowns, they suspend you for 6 weeks.
I can hear that. Thank you, sir, and thank you for your time. Hard luck today.
I'm here with Kaizer Chiefs supporter.
Hi, how's it? My name is Tato.
Firstly, what brings you to the stadium? It was a Pirates and Sundowns game.
You know, in my entire life, I've never thought I'll come and support Pirates and be happy that Pirates won. Yeah. This is the first in my lifetime.
Why are you so happy that Pirates won?
Okay, you must remember the midweek game that Pirates played with Sundowns, they were robbed. Yeah. And then the game that, the second leg, when Chiefs played Sundowns, they were robbed again. So today the referee wasn't on Sundowns' side. So clearly, they only win when there's referees on their side. So this is Okala Manj.
But surely there was a lack of finishing. I mean, we saw that Chalolile had chance. We also saw that other finish, the super save from Chain.
Well, credit to Chain. He played a very good game, and he kept them in the game as well. And to be quite honest, this was a very tactical game, and both sides came at each other. But the wind as well played a role, so they had to dig deep. And the long balls that were playing in the air weren't helping the situation at all. So, but at the end of the day, I didn't think I would be saying I'm a Paga in my lifetime ever. I'm really happy for them.
Before I let you leave, is the PSL title race done?
Not at all, not at all. I was actually telling somebody who's a Pirate supporter when they were saying the race is on. And I was telling them, guys, you must remember, the Sundowns of this season is not the Sundowns of previous seasons. They are beatable. They don't have finesse. Yes, they do have those neat touches here and there, but at the end of the day, they're not the same as they used. It just needs one team to realize they are beatable, which Stellies have done that. So a good game. Chiefs is not stable, but with Sundowns, they played a good game. So it shows that critical but stable.
Thank you so much for your time and best of luck for the season.
Thank you very much, man.
Sanibonani babukeli be-SBN viewers, lana ngomlandeli we-Pirates.
Uvusi Msane.
Baba sanibongela, siqeda kubona i-Pirates la iwina kwi-Sundowns kuma penalty. I-defend i-trophy yayo ye-MTN 8. Wena ubone kanjani umdlalo?
Umdlalo ngubone bomnandi nje, ugculisekile ngoba bebengasabani, bebeya phambili. Ne-Sundowns beyiya phambili, ne-Pirates beyiya phambili, bebekhombisa ukuthi abasabani, khombisa ukuthi i-finally ebemnandi nje, ebemnandi ngempela. Kona-ke i-Pirates asibonge, sibonge nanocoach, ucoach wethu unenhlanhla yendebe. Siyafisa ukuthi aqhubeke njalo. Indebe zingaze ziya ku-Sundowns ngathi i-Sundowns ekuyona ekekhona lana e-Africa yabo. Nathi sikhona siyi-Pirates yabo.
Oyimuphi umdlalo okuhlaba umxhwele namhlanje?
Yabo umdlali nje ongihlabe umchelo ukhipha wami nje ungithokozisile, bengamthembi, wangithokozisa kakhulu goalkeeper wami.
Eyiphi enye indebe mhlambe ofisa ukuthi i-Pirates iwine njengoba i-MTN 8 isiwinile?
I-Pirates ifisa le ndebe lezi ezikhona zonke, izithathe zonke, ngiyafisa nje angazi ukuthi ngeze njani, uNkulunkulu ngiyafisa ukuthi ahambe nathi.
Siyabonga baba ngesikhathi sakho, sanibongela futhi. Sanibonani la nomlandeli we-Pirates.
LT.
Siqeda ukunibona la ninqoba i-trophy ye-MTN 8. Ubone kanjani umdlalo?
game ibigrand kakhulu bra, but I think i-Pirates probably win first half. First half yethu igame yethu i-Sundowns ayidlala ngebhola ifuna udlala, but anyway siwinile sizi-champions okwesibini, so ndicinga uba yinto right leyo for ibhakabhaka.
Ucabanga ukuthi yini ebe wrong mhlambe kwi-first half or eyenza ukuthi i-Pirates ingakwazi ukuthi ikore?
Bayeka ama-chances abafana abo badlala kakuhle kakhulu, bayeka ama-chances bapressa kakuhle yonke into i-grand bra, but final third abakwazi uskora. We create chances and then we didn't score. That's all I think.
Kulama games adlule, especially igame le i-previous game ye-Sundowns ne-Pirates, kwakunama complaints amaningi ngama decisions anompempe. Wena ngokubona kwakho namhlanje ungathini mhlambe ngo-referee wephethe umdlalo namhlanje?
Yeah, uzamile unompempe uzamile, kodwa still njengomlandeli webhola not we-Pirates ndicinga uba fanele improve because khona ama-decisions not only to i-Pirates kuphela, either side ubone ukuba hayi ngeke fanele bamhlamba hambe ngendlela yabo, but I think fanele improve ureferee wala e-South Africa, not only yena kuphela, because most of the decisions mo-check-a lana azihamba according to, it doesn't matter ukuthi yiphi team, but decision ezenzekayo lana azithathayo azikho right. Fana nama-fouls are-weak are-lank, like it's a sport bra, i-game lena it's a physical ntontoni, so mayizoloko ethi 1-2 iplayer mayiwa seyathi impempe igame uyayihlisa umoya leyo nto, yiyo kuphela into engayithetha kuphela.
Ngiyakuzwa sekunesikhathi kwa-introducewa u-VAR, ucabanga ukuthi singakanani isidingo sawo la kwibhola la eMzansi?
La e-South Africa, if i-VAR ngakhona igame ingaphela bra for opinion yami, but i-VAR i-right at the same time i-wrong because it slow up down i-game. At the same time la e-South Africa siyayidinga because most of i-decision ezenzekayo affect i-game kakhulu when it comes to ama-results, because one mistake yenziwa ngunompempe i-affect i-game yonke yabo, understand. For example, kwi-game ye-semi-finals ye-Sundowns ne-Pirates, people were complaining about the penalty 1, 2 and 3 and 5 and 6, and then if you look at it and then uyabona ukuthi hayi vele uyabona then ukuthi hayi it's a penalty, but izinto ezinjalo siyazi-understand football, but for me South Africa siyayidinga i-VAR, not ukuthi only to lento siyayidinga just ukuthi simene peace because abalandeli bayapepereza on.
Okay, ngiyabonga baba and congratulations again. Sanibonani babukeli be-SBN, lo msindo enuzwayo la i-Pirates iqeda ukunqoba kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns kuma-penalty ya-defend i-trophy yayo e-MTN 8 lana ngilomlandeli we-Pirates.
But into engizoyisho mina iyodwa ngoba njengoba ngikhilo ekuqaleni ukuthi vele i-Pirates izowina. Masemabhida vele obvious siyawina sekhala. Pirates vele they are the defending champions vele kuyasiphoqa ukuthi siwine le ndebe mfethu ngoba vele asenzi kahle vele ku-league at the moment, but so pick up going forward maseqeda la vele siyazi sofocus kwi-league. Yona into engizoyisho la vele i-Sundowns yanayo bawina kwi-league. Okay, obviously that was a penalty faulty, but lokhu sadlulisa, but manje mfethu into ezokhuluma ukuthi siyama-defending champions futhi sinqobile futhi ngaphezulu yabo. Leyo nto engizoyisho futhi bopha bhakabhaka bopha.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa baba, njengoba sesibonile i-Pirates iwina le ndebe yokuqala, eziphi mhlawumbe ezinye indebe ubungafisa ukuthi uyibone inqobo?
No, obviously vele siyama-defending champions MTN 8, we still have i-Nedbank siyama-defending champions as well. Lokhu sokuwina vele there is a black label i-black label nakhona futhi nalokhu sokwenza mina into engilenda ipride zonke indebe ezikhona manje ziye-Orlando.
Ibaphi abadlali abaku-impressile namhlanje?
Ongizokusho umuntu engimpresse kakhulu even though waphuma Erasmus i-performance yakhe li-right nengane encane uRelebuyile Rathomo, and lokhu kuyangijabulisa ukuthi uyakhula umfana and ukhuliswa ama-senior players yabo. Yilokho engizokusho kona namhlanje.
Mangathiwa nanga ucoach we-Pirates uJose la kuthiwa akhuluma naye ungathini nje kuyena?
Wabona into engayisho ucoach mfethu simple ukuthi aqhubeke ngalokho akwenzayo mfethu. There's nothing wrong. Yazi khona ama-fans even though ama-Pirates aba-comment negative, but into engizoyisho ukuthi yena mfethu aqhubeke nalokho akwenzayo. We are happy as a Pirates fans ukuthi
he must keep what he's doing. Abo lento iyajabulisa because wafika oqala first season wabamba indebe eziwu2. So lokho mina kuyangijabulisa nge-support ePirates enkulu ethanda iPirates even bad or good, but ngizothi ukuthi uJose umsebenzi wakhe wenza right.
Okay, siyabonga baba and congratulations. Thanks. Sure.